To track or not to track your child's location? That is the question. We asked EduTech parents their thoughts about location tracking, and here's what they have to say.
Sir Roland, I have questions for you. Did you ever use location trackers to find where your child is? And what are your thoughts? Is it really for safety or is it invasion of privacy?
I think that depends on the parents. But actually, when my eldest son went to an OJT in Bulacan, he told me to install a tracker on his phone and on my phone so that I can see where he is.
Already.
Yes.
But at least that's a mutual understanding between you and your child.
If it's really just trying to locate because there are trust issues, that might call for irresponsible tracking.
Planning pa lang, hindi ko pa na-explore yung pros and cons. Pero may mga nakapagsabi na sa akin na gamitin ko yan. For now, masyado kami close monitor sa mga anak namin. Kahit pagsundo sa school. Actually sila ayaw din na nalalayo.
Did you ever use or would you ever use location trackers?
Yung location naman namin, safe naman. So, kung safety yung i-consider namin,
Okay.
medyo mababa yung risk. Hindi mo alam kung sino yung ma-access ng data. So, hindi lang ikaw nag-delete yung information. Mahirap yung nakikita yung bata kung nasaan. Natatrack yung movements niya.
Me personally, hindi ako gumagamit noon. And para sa akin, ang opinion ko din noon is baka na siya sa privacy na siya. So more on na lang kasi ako, texting to him kung nasa na siya. Pero yung mag-install and mag-track kung nasan siya, hindi ko gina.
Sa ngayon, hindi pa, pero we made sure na alam namin kung nasaan sila all the time.
Would you, for example, consider using location tracker?
So my youngest is very secretive. If they are younger, ma'am, so maybe no, because I will not give them phone.
Pwede siguro consider sa future.
Baka. Kasi syempre gusto ko rin siyang hayaan na hindi yung parang nandun kami lagi. Magbibinadayon, magdadalaga. Baka doon ko na lang gamitin.
Meron na, kakabit na lang.
For long-term use ba ito, sir, or for short-term lang?
Depende. Kung magpapasaway, yes. Pero kung hindi naman, pwedeng short term.
It's not an issue of long-term or short-term. For as long as you see that behavior already and you have the trust on your child, then that's okay. I think it would really boil down to building the attitude and the being responsible of your child.
When it comes to parenting, location tracking is a double-edged sword. On one hand, it provides a sense of security for parents, but on the other, it can raise concerns about privacy and independence. What do you think? Is the peace of mind from knowing your child's location worth limiting their freedom? A study from the American Psychological Association suggests that while tracking provides safety and peace of mind, it may be viewed as controlling and intrusive. Also, the Handbook of Children and Screens highlights that while parents often use digital location tracking to ensure their child's safety, these technologies can also expose location data to strangers or other family members, raising significant privacy concerns. Parenting expert Genevieve Mir highlights the importance of consent in using digital location trackers. She explained that tracking a young child to grant them freedom can be beneficial, but tracking teenagers without a clear agreement can be problematic. It's about safety and mutual understanding. So, what's the best approach? Open communication is the key. Setting clear guidelines on when and why location tracking is used, along with respecting your child's privacy as they grow older, ensures that both safety and independence can coexist. It's also important to understand and discuss how your child perceives privacy and digital tracking. Remember, there's no one-size-fits-all approach. What works for one family might not be right for another. So, before deciding, weigh the pros and cons. Consider your child's age and maturity and establish a mutual understanding of the technology's role in your family. What's your experience with location tracking? Share your thoughts and tips in the comments below. Tune in for more tips and insights on digital technology for education. Don't forget to follow us on social media for updates, resources, and more ways to guide your children in the digital space.